After creating a YouTube channel, now we are on the next step, which is uploading a video. So before uploading a video, you have to look for the suitable titles, so that when someone goes to YouTube, your video is easily searchable and one can easily get your video and watch it. And the next thing you have to do is to upload a nice looking thumbnail relevant to your video, so that your audience can easily be guided. And now, after you have uploaded your video, you have to make sure that your video goes out to the public for watching. And these are one of the tips you have to use so that your video gets more views, likes and comments. And number one, you have to share a video on all social platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp. You share the link to your friends so that they can share it too. You also have to include tags in your video so that people can easily find it in the top searches on the YouTube.